Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that?
Ayiyi hair review. I'm revealing this unit from Ayiyi hair. This is their deep coily transparent lace front wig. It came with a lot of goodies, as you guys can see. Wow, this is just beautiful. Even a wig cap. And that is the wig. It is 22 inches. Deep coily transparent lace front wig, Virgin human hair. The color is black. That is the transparent lace. It came with an adjustable strap at the back. Two, in fact, came with two. Then a lace, combs by the side, about 4 combs. That is the wig. How gorgeous is this coily, deep coily wig? So now let's dash into the installation of this wig. You see, that is the hairline. You guys know I don't pre-pluck hair. Sorry if you're here because of that. Me, I don't pre-pluck hair because I don't always like it when they over pre-pluck your hair. To me, it doesn't look natural. It's just my opinion. You can do what is good for you. What is that? Can you guys hear that noise? Where's that vibration from? So I make it easy when it comes to my wig. The way I install my wigs, that is what I share with you guys. This is how I install my wigs. I'm not against plucking your wig the way you like. If you like, you can pluck it more. But I always admire when the unit comes already pre-plucked. I don't bother myself to do that, which is the case of this one. As you can see from the front, it came already pre-plucked. So I use a wax stick to take the hair backward so that it will be easy for me to cut off the excess lace. In that way, I don't cut off the hair, if that makes sense. So after that, I use a hot comb to take the hair backward to see the lines clearly before cutting off the excess lace from it. If you watch my videos recently, I changed the method of cutting my excess lace from my wigs. I find it more easy and it looks more natural even without you gluing your hair down. I don't mind cutting out some hair from the front line. In most cases, I don't always glue my wigs down. I do that for videos, like I always say. And this helps a lot. Cutting it this way, it helps me a lot, especially when I decide not to glue my units down. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Now, I never want to bleach the knots. I want to make it, I just want to do something very easy and smart. Gorgeous, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please, before you go, if you like it here, don't hesitate to subscribe, and when you do, please hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. Thank you so much for doing that. So I use styling gel. You guys know that's what I do. I use styling gels to install my wig. And something I did as I'm installing this wig, I did my baby hairs. I slay my baby hair at the same time. This is just to save time for me. When I'm going out, this is what I do. So like I said, I always want to share all I do outside camera with you guys when I'm on camera. If you try this method, you see that it's very easy and you don't waste a lot of time installing your wig. Oh, that again. Can you guys hear that? It's going to rain. It's about to rain. That is why you're hearing those sounds. I forgot to tell you guys that this lace is 13 by 4. I think it's 13 by 4. Let me check, then I'm going to tell you guys. I think is it 13 by 4? It's 13 by 4 and the density is 180 density. After doing that, I just tied it down, waited for some time. This town's so lame. That is it. You can see it's very easy. At the same time, you glue your hair down and you do your baby hairs at the same, you slay your baby hairs at the same time to save more time. Okay, there's so many time repeating time. Of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight. And that is the hair. You can see how gorgeous is this. Just look, I love this wave so much. And one thing I did not apply oil to it. I did not apply coily mousse to it. I did not apply coily cream to it. Nothing, and the hair is just a gentle breeze. The night's got a fever to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. The softness of the hair, how bouncing it is when you pull your hand through it, so free, it doesn't tangle. There was just very little shedding, very little. You guys know coily hair shed a lot, but this one just very little. I would say little, as in I can even say it did not shed at all.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that.
So that is it, as I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out. Remain gorgeous. Bye. Stay blessed. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.
Time that I